Hello. And so it begins. No real need for printouts, but Papa believes in backup. Let's go. At least have a good ending to this year. Officially, our first international trip together. Yes, Bhutan and Nepal, we love you, but this feels different. We're checking the flights, pretending to be serious travelers, but the whole vibe, pure Christmas meets New Year magic. Oh, look at them. I want this. Cute yaar. मम्मी के साथ ट्रैवल करना मतलब देयर विल नेवर बी शॉर्टेज ऑफ होम कुक्ड फूड नेवर ऑनेस्टली दैट्स द रियल ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस फ्लाइट डिलेड हो गेट चेंज हो वी आर सॉर्टेड डिले तो काफी हो गई थी हमारी फ्लाइट आई बी नॉट ऑलरेडी अ लिटिल टायर्ड ऑब्वियसली मम्मी वाज इन नो मूड फॉर फूड मैंने और पापा ने तो मस्त खाया इट वाज 2 a.m. आई गेस Morning. We just landed in Cambodia. हमारी connecting flight थी Delhi to Ho Chi Minh City. And guys, the airport. Newly built, operational since September 2025. Everything so clean, very shiny, proper fresh airport vibes. But plot twist, we missed our connecting flight. At that point, I was honestly feeling bad. लेकिन फिर हमें lounge access दे दिया था. Sometimes travel comes with small perks, I guess. Hello. Settling into the lounge at Cambodia's brand new airport. Super modern, glass walls, spotless, everything. We finally got network. She checked her socials. Haha. I relaxed too. Papa got his hands on book और मैं focus कहाँ straight to the salad bar. Then tried this Cambodian sticky rice roll. The filling was of jackfruit and banana, but it was weirdly delicious. After almost trying everything in the lounge, like proper buffet audit, we decided to step out. Or for obviously pictures and more pictures. We had many hours to kill at the airport, like proper ab kya kare situation. Good thing Cambodia airport pe USD be accepted hai. So obviously started with shopping. Cambodia is actually known for its beautiful handicraft. Seeing so many beautiful things around, I am definitely coming here again. And this time to step out of the airport. And the reason why I travel with them, it's just easy. हम नीचे walk कर ही रहे थे and then I noticed that fun suitcase. I want one. It was the 31st. We were boarding our flight. Ho Chi Minh was just an hour away. I have always tried to find a good spot for myself for the last sunset of the year. Someone once told me to really notice the feeling when the sun dips below the horizon, and ever since I have. This time I watched it from a plane for the very first time, and I'm just glad I did not miss it. The flight was calm, almost quiet, and somewhere between the clouds and that fading light, I found myself reflecting on the year, watching the sky through the window, silently wishing for a better one ahead because honestly, I cannot have anything similar what I had in 2025. And oh, say hello to Ho Chi Minh City. That's really my last flight of the year. Hee hee. Hey you guys, finally at the destination, Ho Chi Minh City. Though the stamping was easy, but crowd काफी ज़्यादा था. And the whole vibe on 31st, it just is different. बहुत cool बन रही थी मैं किसी के luggage के ऊपर अपना phone लगा के कि बहुत अच्छा shot आएगा. And then this was booked through Trip Hawker, so I knew exactly where to wait. There's just something about seeing your name at the receiving end, that too handwritten. Or stepping outside, the air felt different. Maybe it was just that new place energy. Okay, let's go. Baby on board. Look at that. काफी सुंदर YBC street थी. Driver did drop us 100 meters before our hotel. Whole place was such कि मुझे ये तो शो ही नहीं हो रहा था कि कहाँ पे है होटल ये देखूं. I mean, how lovely. I don't know if it's always this lit and pretty or if it's just the New Year effect. Our stay was booked near District 1, basically the heart of Ho Chi Minh City. We stepped in and the sweetest lady helped us with the formalities. So warm, so welcoming. And in that moment, I just needed to pause, breathe it in, and actually feel that we are outside our own country. Like we really did this. He really an international view. The place was lit. I was still not feeling it, but I went inside, gave myself a little pep talk. Get up, get dressed. You are not canceling on life today. And honestly, the second I got ready, whole mood shifted. It's crazy how sometimes you don't need a new life. You just need to get ready for the one you already have.
Yeah, let's go. And then cool to hai. So I was doing a vibe check, but शायद हम सभी कर रहे थे. मम्मी तो पक्का कर रही थी. I mean, look at her face. That just is speaking without speaking. हम फूड पे तो डिसाइड कर ही रहे थे एंड आई वाज सो श्योर कि नहीं इंडियन तो नहीं खाऊंगी बट देन इंडियन तो नहीं खाऊंगी मैं. Looking around, soaking it all in, I did find myself a dance partner. And then it was time for us to get the money. सोचा तो था मैंने कि इंडियन नहीं खाऊंगी बट with all the options we had, this was our place. Not gonna lie, मजे तो आ गए थे. The evening was then followed by so much more. The whole vibe was different, and I think everyone was just waiting for it to be 12, a new year. Struggle, I know, struggle. But I did it, yes!